Hello guys, good evening. Good evening to the today online class. So today date is 14th October. Okay, today is Wednesday. The last class on Monday, that is the 12th October. See, we are completed the class 22. Now today class number is 23. Please remember and try to understand whatever I am telling. Huh? See, and it will be very easy. If you are not able to follow, you definitely it will be discontinued. See, here are notes. Subject will become different types. Okay. Now, as in today, we are solved the problems. We are solved the problems using. See, just I will revise the previous things. Okay. The method of determination of BOD. Methods of determination of BOD. We know that. What are those? See, one is a direct method. See, it consists of what? It consists of what? See, I will show you that one. See, this is, it consists of, see the methods of determination of BOD. It consists of direct method of determination. See, there are two methods. One is a direct method and dilution method. See, the BOD determination is having a different equations. See here, in this type, from here to here, this is a type 1. We can call it as first type. Okay. Next one is this is a type 2. This is nature of BOD reactions. In the last class, LT, YT and L is equal to what ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೂರು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 + 1, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 1 and afterwards 3 equations. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 equations, again 3 equation. Okay. See, today we are entering into this problems how to solve using these parameters. Okay. Now here, direct method of determination, we are having a first day and the last day. That is a 0 day and a 5th day DO. If you minus these two, we will get a BOD 5 at 20 degree centigrade. 20 degree centigrade. See, this is also called 5-day BOD in milligram per liter, or this is or, okay. And this 5-day BOD at 20 degree centigrade in milligram per liter is equal to 0 day minus 5-day DO. Okay. Now, this is one direct method. Another one is a dilution method. In dilution method, BOD 5 can be determined. ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ BOD ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಸಿ ವಿಚ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay. See, now this is a direct method of determination. Here BOD 5, this is BOD 5, this is BOD 5. Another method. See, when the BOD is exceeding more than 7 milligram per liter, then you have to go for dilution method. Otherwise, when the BOD is the less than 7 milligram per liter, then you have to use this equation. See here, now what is this equation? This is a dilution method of determination. Now, dilution method no. Dilution means some amount of wastewater is mixing with dilution water. Okay, A plus B is equal to mixture. That is a C value we will get. See, DOB minus DOI into 100 divided by percentage of mixture. That is wastewater. How much your percentage taken? Already was explained. BOD bottle is having 300 ml capacity. In that, we are taking the wastewater sample to determine the BOD by means of BOD, that is can be conducted by means of incubation. Incubation is a chamber that is just like a refrigerator. It is having capacity to maintain the constant temperature. ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 20 degree. Why 20 is required? Because all the rivers or streams on this earth will be having the average mean value of temperature. How much? 20 degree centigrade. That is why we are duplicating the natural value here. See, every time we are expressing in terms of 20 degree centigrade. Okay. This is a percentage. Percentage means DOB minus DOI into this much. Okay. Just substitute those value, you get the answer. Okay. See, now this is equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. See, many equations we got. In the last class, see, nature of BOD reactions we know, right? See, we are determined the value of LT. LT means what? Remaining. Okay. See, LT is remaining and YT is oxidized, utilized. The organic matter is utilized. Okay. L is the ultimate value. See, totally 3 equations we are developed. Those 3 equations I am going to show now. Okay, nodi illi 3 plus 1, it is 1 equation is very easy. These 3 equations plus another 3 equations, 6 equations it has become. Now let us see what is that LT, tell me. See, the LT is equal to what? Nodi, LT is equal to L into 10 to the power of minus KT. So K is, it is not K dash, it is K into T. Okay, this is K into T. L into 10 to the power of minus KT. So therefore LT andre no, LT andre remaining amount of organic matter remaining at any time T. Correct ella tilkondirri. Okay, now this is equation number 1, where K is equal to what? Where K is equal to K dash divided by 2.303 is this equation. Now 1 is over. Okay, next equation what actually the BOD ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಖರ್ಚು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್, that is why yt, another value, that means what you call y and t will be introduced. This is what you call oxidized at any time t is equal to this. We are having a small equation L minus LT. You just remember L is the ultimate value minus LT is the ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನಾವು ವೈ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ. ಎಲ್ ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ minus kt. Here you are having. Okay, now yt is equal to L minus L. Substitute this value, you will get the direct equation. Now finally we will get yt is equal to L, take outside common, then 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. Okay, these 3 equations are ready with you. Now using these 3 equations and as well as the beginning those equations, that means these 3 or 4 equations. Okay, let us start the solving the problem. How to solve this problem is very in this problem. All the values they are given, substitute in this equation, find out the value of BOD5. BOD5 is equal to yt only. This yt can be apply in another equation and find out the y10 value. See, he has given y, he has asked 5-day BOD and you have to find out 10-day BOD. The k value, that is k dash, also given. K dash is equal to what? K is equal to k dash divided by 2.03, 2.203. Okay, 2.23. See, now this here, see, this is a t is utilized for 5 days and that value you know, and yt is equal to 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. And this k we know, what you call 20 degrees centigrade. See, k dash that given, it is a k value. K is what? K is equal to k dash divided by 2.303. We know, right? Next, L is equal to yt divided by this value will go to denominator and yt divided by 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. Nodi, this equation is very important, 100% important. See, L andre ಏನಪ್ಪ, ultimate BOD ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ BOD ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು yt ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ k ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, k ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? t ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 days. ಸಿ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, yt divided by 1 minus 10 to the power of minus kt. You observe here. Substitute all the equation. This is called L is equal to, this is 158 is the yt divided by 1 minus 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 0.1 into 5 is minus 10 to the power of this much. Okay, you find out the value, L value you are getting. So L is the ultimate BOD. Always you check it off. This value should be higher than all the values that are given in the problem. Okay, you observe here 5-day is how much? 5-day BOD is how much? 158. But this is here how much it is? 158, that one. But here 230.6 milligram per liter, say 231. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿ ಒ ಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದೇನಿದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಡಿ. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಡಿ. ಸಿ ಅಗೈನ್ y10 we want. Okay, yt is equal to y10. This is equal to how much? This is yt is equal to L value. Substitute all the values. Instead of telling you, see, try to solve the same problem 2-3 times. Then only you can able to understand what is this. Okay, because many equations are go on adding. See, next further again 2 more equations are coming. Now you are cumulative. It will becomes a tedious job afterwards. It will becomes a tedious job afterwards. That is why you study carefully. Okay, now this yt is equal to L. First you want L find out madidre ನೀವು 231, and then 1 minus step of minus kt. See, minus k is 0.1 and t value is 10 days. 5 days ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. See, now it is answer is 208, 207.6. say it is how much it is, y10 is equal to 207 is the 208 milligram per liter. See, try to understand the problem. Even though this problem is very easy, but it is not possible to solve so easily. Arthaita, looks like a very easy problem, but try to understand the values we are obtained using what you call these preliminary equations are yt. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ yt ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು another problem is this one. Data from an unseeded domestic wastewater BOD test or 5 ml of water in a sand water. Okay, you try to read this problem. I will come. Okay, see, here we have determined y10, that is a BOD 10 is equal to this much. You are already knowing that y5 is equal to how much? Y5 is equal to how much? Tell me. 158. See, this 158 is y5. This is y10 it is. See, smaller or greater, number of days are increasing means it will move towards ultimate demand. Okay, see, this is should be higher than the 5 days. The 5 days BOD is 158, and then what you call it here, y10 is equal to 208, is more than that. What is the value of L? Can you able to understand what is L value? This is LT. It is L is equal to 230.6. Where is 2.236 point? This one, that is a 231 milligrams is L value, ultimate BOD. See, where in this, see, that is also very important to determine. Okay, this is L value, this is y10 value, and y5 value. Okay, now we know that the BOD equation can be used. Okay, we are not using seeding material, and directly we are going to say using this equation you can determine the value of BOD. Okay, here BOD at 20 degrees centigrade here. Okay, see, let us start this problem. What they are given, just you see this data from unseeded they are given, that means seed not done. Okay, BOD test or 5 ml of waste in a BOD 300 ml bottle. Okay, initial DO is this much, 5 day DO is this much. Okay, calculate or compute. Okay, number A is the BOD and B is the, okay, A is the BOD 5 you have to determine, and then B is the ultimate BOD. Okay, this is ultimate BOD and this is 5 day BOD you have to determine, assuming the K rate of 0.1 milligram per liter, 0.1 per day. Okay, this is K value. K is equal to 0.1 per day. See the K value is given. Now ultimate value L ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು BOD 5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ BOD 5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, ultimate value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ and YT ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. Same type of problem you have to solve this. Look, I will show you this. So BOD 5 at 20 degrees centigrade here. Okay. So DOB minus DOI. DOB minus DOI. DOB means initial DO present in the wastewater sample is equal to how much? Okay, 7.8 here. They are given here 7.8. Last day, how much it is? It's equal to 4.3. What do you call the DO value? Okay, final value. So now you substitute that in this equation and we volumetric bottle ml of sample used. See that we can just substitute into that, you will get the answer. See here 7.8 minus 4.3, 300 divided by 3.0. See this is 5.0, 300, and this is 210 milligram per liter. Okay, using this equation, substitute those equation in the above values, whatever it is obtained, substitute here, you will get 210 milligram per liter. Okay, and finally you have to go for, see YT is equal to, we know that L into this much, because this one is for 20 degrees centigrade already given. Now you have to determine the YT value you are determined. This is called YT 210. Now using YT we have to use one equation, L into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus KT. Okay, so therefore L value you have to determine. L is equal to 307. See, for any time always BOD in the beginning it was a 5-day BOD. Okay, this 5-day BOD, the answer is very small value. 5-day BOD how much here? Okay, here see the BOD 5, we know that substitute that those value 210 milligram per liter. See bandira value, this is the remaining value is YT. This YT value given, okay, that is 210, that is YT is 210, and L is equal to determine by means of what you call L value in this equation only. L is equal to YT divided by this portion will go down, and the answer you have to find out. L is equal to 307.12 milligram per liter. You observe here answer is with in your hand only. Always this ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ y5 value. y5 is equal to 300, and then yt is equal to, can determine afterwards. Even L is equal to how much? The ultimate BOD. So this is equal to 7 point, that is 307.12 milligram per liter. 307.12 milligram per liter. See, problems are easy. Only thing is ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು LT YT ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸಿ ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ just you see this glance of this one. Okay, using all these equations you are solved the BOD, that is called BOD 5-day ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ BOD ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using YT value. 5-day BOD is nothing but YT. Remember it many times. 5-day BOD is YT. YT means what? Oxidized, utilized. 5 ದಿವಸದೊಳಗಡೆ in 5 days how much organic matter is consumed by the bacteria, that will give 5-day value is YT. Spent oxygen spent for 5 days. Okay, then these are the general equations, and then this is LT, YT, L. See these three equations, very simple equations. Okay, this is a second type of problem. See here almost all the equations, general equations we got. Now next third type is there. If you change the temperature, instead of 20 degree, these are all 20 degree centigrade. If you change the temperature, what happens? See, that type of equations are there, that will be shown in the next class. Okay, That is very, very important. Today we are solved using this nature of BOD reactions. BOD reaction. See these equations and find out the value of BOD. Now they are asking, yeah, in this method, what you call, see, LT, YT and L. See, YT is you are determined Wi-Fi or something, and LT is the remaining, and this is exhausted, and L is the total. Like these three equations you are determined is very easy. See, try to solve the same problem. Two problems I have solved, and using that you try to solve the another problems. So you can see any question paper, you can get this type of problems, BOD determination. Okay. Next, change of temperature. Instead of 20, they'll give 30 degree. 30 degree centigrade means what to do. 25 degree means what to do. See that change of temperature is another type of problem. Again, in that equations you have to be determined, and plenty of problems in that. I will tell you those problems in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Try to solve these problems repeatedly, otherwise the subject becomes very tough. Okay, as I told you, the syllabus for your internals is one and a half module. Okay, first module and second module 50%. Okay, so this module will be given for the third test. See, because the BOD completely purely it is BOD and characteristics are there. See, in that it is enough Sievers. If you want, I will show you the syllabus for first test and second test. Already in the last class I was explained very clearly. Try to understand and solve the problems. Okay, assignment on 4 ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, only 3 to 4 members are not at all given as in today. 62 members are given and 4 members are remaining. Okay, ಅವರಿಗೆ we are not allowing to write the internals, first internals. ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ದೆನ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 0, ಅನದರ್ 2. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ? 20 ದಿವಸ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಈ ಸರಿ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ನೋ ಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗೆ, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, so what to do? Okay, let us see. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you.